Biyake gima mwanchi muri abetaseni kia Ndizi TV no gosemera ko nuna ko bere kugutwara oborigereria borobia nabo igokwego keria emerobelio a emegetaseni kia Ndizi TV ni gocheragire Chinsa Ikomi chabona marogo basinero bere boikanu okoletera mangana Amayia na berika gokorekana kurwa chingongo chionsi enye Chinsa mwanchi muri ngo kwaligani bene rinde tobeto gusanga asobwamo gochaka bonoiga goika omwelio nabo kenda gutubwati Chinsa mochiche mitandao asensemo ya Facebook gwetera Ndizi TV News Digital nabiga sensemo ya YouTube gwetera Ndizi TV News asensemo ya website nabagotonya gwetera www.ndizitv.net na Fridah Kerubo na sensemo chibera kelio ni gotokubwatenere Joshua Auta ulio kaineke buna chibichana boigelio gire gukira sole asenchira ya bene ni gakurukwa Abigail Nyanchama. Nechingaki ense ya Kenya egendete gochengera litkolia mashuja asibagendete kuinyura abanyangongo asense ya Kenya ase litkolia lero murubiri bakogokorekana ime county ya Kericho kulende abaraya ba MC na barobumba tikirimaga aso kuinyura abanyangongo ase baene kemna obokoreri bwe serikali ya Kenya kwanza nigo bwabere bo wikirana kegima okwana nigo batogiye serikali asingencho yo kuinyura abagotu na bale nobolema nabo igo kubenyera serikali asoko enike bunankonyora bale engeri abo yakereritko boigoni go bakoboko engana yokurwa n'ibinyogo byo gutindia aseba enekimba chikobwaterana nabo igo gokonya ibinyoro.
Naamini wale community health workers wako hapa katikati, walimu, madaktari, wanafunzi, abaturage ama clan elders, wanabodaboda, watu wote wako hapa, machief na wafanyakazi wa serikali wote ni mashujaa. So kwanza nashukuru kwa vile walileta registration ya wamama wazee ambao wamefikisha miaka, wale walemavu na wale watoto mayatima kuandikishwa ndio wapate pesa zile ambazo serikali inapeana.
Hao watu wanapiga pombe mnawajua. Kwa hivyo enda kwao, waambie biashara waja, ama usiaji, umwambia ile kitu kidogo ulikuwa unanipea, sasa sitaki. Hata mimi nitafutwa. Hata mimi nitafanya nini? Hao watu wasikwe, waende huko jela, alafu watu wetu ndio wataweza kusaidia. Sasa iko kazi nyingi tutafanya na nyinyi. Kwa hivyo hiyo pombe tunataka ishe, pombe haramu iko mingi katika ward yangu ya Kisii Central Ward. Ya nimemaliza sasa ya
Tinga kecho boigoi me county ya Nyamira nigo baba gochengera litukeliga ase ensemo yeskuru yoboroso ya Nyamira asomorobelyo yo obagokoragwa no mugavana we county ya Nyamira Emos Nyalibo na boigo abarai akurase county yo baba bagoikirana asingencho yo kuinyora abanyongongo kurase county yo muri kecho job maangi na bakagoikirana ase Chinsemecho asaba kagotoerera nari yagendete gokorekana ime county ya Nyamira chinga kibagendete kogokera obokoreri nabo igo kuinyora abanyangongo kurwa ase Chinsemecho.
Biamono kurwa se studio ni gotonyora asemo kurwa se skuru yoboroso ya Nyamira asege TK no litukoli rero county ya Nyamira ko bagego chengera litukoli nali amashuja asitoko batogo chengera abantu babere bagwikirania ebintu ao ase obogima abutokorokanga namashuja mbantuki amashuja nabantu bali babere bagwikirania ebirenga asobogima anene mono abantu togo chengera litukoli rero n'abantu bali babete bakurwanerera ense ya Kenya ekanyora obosibore yani asomono bekenya muri tukubarokanga freedom fighters ntubwate boyigwa abantu ababere bawikirania ebirenga asobogima ntubwate abaminyoki ebyata ababere bakora ense ya Kenya elieta ntubwate abanyagitali ntubwate aborokiwa ntubwate abantu babere bakonya abantu anene mono ekerogi chinga ki cheme basokano anene mono enganeye yaberege koletera elieta liito elieta ligia ense ito elieta ligia asege genchonko basabankelinga gendra ko tengera Ndizi TV asena abinko bamanyibu namanganara abega gwatika litukuli malia rero litukeli lya mashujaa de go chakero muchakano mbaka omoelio elietali anenkoro kwa Job Maangi wono tigangira nili bageri go chase studio mungi wete
Voigo omoyega bogo chengera litukoli ya mashujaa nigo bakoko kolekana ime county ya Kericho asabarai kurwa se chingongo chonsi inye chense baba guikirana elinde kogokera abanyangongo bense ya Kenya. Mugavana wa county yo Eric Mutai nigabaga kwaligania abarai bonsi ime county yo asabaga kogokera obokoleri we serikali ya Kenya kwanza. Okwana nigo aenekia kubwatirana ne serikali enene anamono asugukinya ebirengo byobochenu ime county ya Kericho. Waigoni gabaga kogokera amagendero ayobe agendete kokorekana ase county yo ase agania omorai bwense ko basira na baigo kwenekia obokoleri obuya.
To welcome all of us to Kericho County. Indeed, if there is one single honor you have demonstrated to the people of Kericho, is your choice to have this state event in Kericho County. And on behalf of the great people of Kericho, we wish to say thank you. Na kwa niaba yao tunasema asante sana. Secondly, Your Excellency, we wish also to indicate that as we celebrate this very important occasion, as the county government of Kericho, we have 1,600 community health promoters. With the program you have put in place, we are committed as counties to ensure that we commit 50% in our budget to match what the national government is providing us so that we are able to give stipends to the community health promoters. Secondly, Your Excellency, as Kericho County, we want to say thank you because of the great infrastructural development that has taken place in our county. Just to mention, the other day, we were able to launch the ICU at Kapkatet, which was equipped by your government. We were also able to launch our basic oncology center in Kericho to handle matters cancer through the support again from your government. And we want to say thank you for the same.
Omorai wense Dr. William Ruto nigabaka gwikirana me county ya Kericho asabaka gusanga nabamenyi bense meyo kubwaterana nabarai ase ogochengera litukelyo okwana kora Chinsa cho nigo airabuna ase manifesto ya serikali ya Kenya kwanza kirenge kenene nigo kirekwene kia obochenu asabanta bonsi ase litkolya lero abakago siolya emerobelyo anamono ase sector yobochenu nabo igo bali barabe bagosira abantu ase binyoro elinde gokinya ebirengo byobochenu okwana nigo ayenekebuna serikali ya Kenya kwanza nigo yabekire chi bilioni 3 ensemo echo kirabe chigosira asense mugose asaba bisabo libobo chenu abo barabe bagokora emirimo ase binyoro abo bamenyekanite na social wose community health promoters.
Proud that they are represented in large numbers today in this very important Mashujaa Day. The work of the promoters will include basic preventive and promotive health, health education, basic first aid for the treatment of minor injuries and ailments at household level, and referral for facility-based healthcare. Each community health promoter is allocated 100 homes within their neighborhoods, and this will happen countrywide. Considering the pivotal role played by community health in attainment of universal health coverage, the long-term financial viability and sustainability of community health is contingent on enhanced domestic resources for health. The national government is working closely with our county governments to strengthen the delivery of community health services through the payment of stipends for the 100,000 community health promoters. This will be done on a matching basis, 50% contributed by the national government and 50% contributed by the county governments. The national government has already allocated Kenya shillings 3 billion annually for payment of these stipends, and it is my belief that counties will match up this fund so that we can enable these great heroes of our time to help us on the delivery of community health at the household level.
Tinga kicho boigo nigo maraibwense ruto aene kebuna obulemero abwaborokia ase chiskuru oino muchando oberego kwene kigwa ase geka asense ya Kenya ase kolende aene kebuna ngocholigo sonsorwa ase miaka ebere erebosio boigo nigo agokera amonchurilia yabereka gokorekana ase wizara yechisemi ase aene kebuna nigo aborokia chiribubere babwenete kubekwa ase chiskuru chobobundi elinde goikera ya chisemi ase chiskuru echo boigonigo aenekeo kubwaterana nense ya China asoko enekebuna ebintu biribiganire ase skuru yechicho chibundi mbichigo ikirana ase nse ya Kenya na boigo kwenekebuna chisemi chaboire chigokorekana boikirano.
We are working with our TVETs to ensure that another 2,000 TVET college tutors are hired to support our TVET education that has increased from 90,000 8 years ago to 350,000 currently. I am also happy to note that we have concluded with the government of China the supply of equipment for another 70 technical training colleges in Kenya that will ensure that more young people have access to gadgets and tools that will improve their acquisition of knowledge and skills.
No nyamagega ya serikali ya Kenya kwanza koralia bene gocha ase abalemi kweneke bunangwa soke bale na boigo kwelikia asenge nchoyo kwenyorera obuoyo bweligoliria nsekegima ononigo abaraikuru ase serikali yo babere bagwesoke bene na boigo komochia abalemi asogotaira obuoyo bo okwana kurase county ya Kericho chinga kichomoyega omashuja nigo omuraibwense abuolirie abalemi ase ntundende kwemukiali bageri gali abene asokone kibnanko enyorera bali obuoyo bo nabo igo kwene kiali gesalire ligi ya kegima.
Our focus on effectively lowering the cost of living is based on increased agricultural productivity and expanding land and other resources for production. We have rolled out an agricultural support program that has provided farmers with access to fertilizer, affordable credit, and extension services. By end of July, we had distributed 3.5 million bags of region-specific crop fertilizers in 41 counties to registered farmers. Working with county governments for last mile, I urge all unregistered farmers to use this opportunity to register so that they can benefit from the support of fertilizer for all their crops, whether it is tea, coffee, sugarcane, macadamia, avocados, and all the other crops.
Naboigo ne chinga ki serikali gendete kwirubiria bwikirano naboigo kwene kebunakira oyomo ngwenyorerale obochenu bobwenete anene mono ase ebinyoreime litkolia lero nigo community health promoters baba bagotiani gwa bene ase bali eira yo gochigokora emirimo yabo bwikirano morobelyo yoni go bagokoragwa no muwaziri bwobochenu Susan Nakuminja ase boigo alieira ko babwatesia na boigo kwenekea obokoreri obya ase wizara yobochenu.
Mheshimiwa Rais, sasa ni wakati wetu wahudumu wa afya nyumbani kutoa ahadi ya huduma kwa afya nyumbani. Nitawaomba nyinyi wote wahudumu wa afya nyumbani mrudie mambo haya nyuma yangu. Sisi wahudumu wa afya nyumbani tunaahidi kutumikia jamii zetu kwa mioyo thabiti, mikono wazi, ujuzi na kwa kujitolea. Lengo letu ni kuelimisha, kuwawezesha na kusaidia jamii zetu kukuza afya, kuzuia magonjwa na kuwaelekeza kwenye huduma za afya. Tunakubali jukumu hili tukufu na tuko tayari kutumikia jamii zote. Afya yetu, jukumu letu. Ndiyo. Asanteni sana.
Mwanchi umurigereria kurwa soroboti uruni ona ikiro mwaelio wa mangana maya asebire biga kulinde tuskato nyegera ekoraga ensa eyemo ayona mange nenyara sinchira iyoboikirano enda gutubwatia asinsemo chiche mitandao asinsemo ya Facebook gwetera Ndizi TV News Digital nabega asinsemo ya YouTube gwetera Ndizi TV News asinsemo ya website nabagotonya gwetera www.ndizitv.net Magach kamera soko nikimna ebichana baigo eliogire gwekera sole asenchera ya bene nigakurukwa Abigail Nyanchama tobe tokubwatanere Joshua Auta asinsemo chiberokalio na inchiriane Fridah Kerubo twara obuligeria borobia.